Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Miyoo Mini 4 versus Miyoo Mini Plus. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video. First talk about display. The Mini V4 provided 3.5-inch LCD screen and Mini Plus provided 3.5-inch IPS LCD screen. So Mini Plus is better. Now let's look at the processor. V4 provided ARM Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor and Mini Plus provided ARM Cortex A55 1.6 GHz processor. So Mini Plus is better. Now let's look at the storage. V4 provided 32 GB internal micro SD support and Mini Plus provided 64 GB internal micro SD support. So Mini Plus is better. Now let's look at the battery life. Mini V4 provided 1500 mAh 4 to 6 hours of battery life and Mini Plus provided 2500 mAh 5 to 8 hours of battery life. So Mini Plus is better. Now let's look at the operating system. V4 provided Linux based OS operating system and it is also provided by Mini Plus. So both are equal. Now let's look at the game compatibility. V4 provided retro gaming support NES, SNES, etc. And it is also provided by Mini Plus. So both are equal. Now let's look at the connectivity. V4 provided USB-C headphone jack and it is also provided by Mini Plus, so both are equal. Now let's look at the weight. V4 provided 160 gram weight and Mini Plus provided 180 gram weight. Now let's look at the price. The price of V4 is more affordable and the price of Mini Plus is slightly more expensive. So Mini V4 is better. And in the last, let's look at the build quality. The build quality of V4 is plastic and the build quality of Mini Plus is premium plastic and metal essence. So Mini Plus is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.